Just want to reiterate here how important putting these braces on are, all the way across like that, tacked up all the way along the bucket here. This holds that edge straight. It's going to save you a ton of work in the end, especially if you weld it up too fast. I mean, this is going to hold it true the whole time. And like I said, after I weld this cutting edge, I leave it sit a good 8-9 hours. It's important. It's important to keep that straightness of that blade. So, alrighty, time to start welding.